Hello everyone. In this video, we'll get introduced to another measurement which is called volume. Volume is a measurement very specific to solid shapes. We've learned about area, and area we defined as the space occupied by the object on a plane surface. Now, taking the same cue, a volume is the space occupied by a three-dimensional or a solid shape in space, in air. So it is not only the space occupied on the plane surface, but it is also the space which it occupies in the air, in space. Now we'll see this using a diagram. We have two objects, object A and B. Object A, though we have shown a small thickness here, let's assume that this is a two-dimensional object. So it occupies length into breadth, this much area on the table. Even this object on the table occupies the same space. It is occupying the same space on the table, but it has thickness. And so in air, it is occupying more space. And so this is what we call volume. How much it occupies in the air. The complete space occupied by this object is volume, whereas only the space which is occupied by this object on the plane surface is area. Now let's derive the formulas for volume of the solid shapes. Let's assume that this object has unit volume. We call it, let's say, X. We'll call it X. Now if I have one more such object and which I place over this, then the volume has to double, isn't it? So the new volume will be 2x. And if we see, the height which was, let's say, called as y has now become 2y. The height also has doubled. But length, has it changed? No. Breadth, has it changed? No. Now if I add one more of such shape, so now the volume is triple the volume of the first one. And height has become also 3y, tripled. So we can see that volume is increasing in the same proportion as the height. And hence height has something to do with volume. And with this illustration we found that volume is same as surface area into height. For this shape, volume was same as surface area into height. As the height was increasing, the volume was also increasing in the same. And that helps us to find the volume of a cube. So volume of a cube would be its surface area. Surface area is length into breadth, or in case of cube it is square, so side into side. Into height. And what is the height of a cube? It is also side. And so volume of cube is side cube. And what would be volume of cuboid then? Volume of cuboid would be the surface area here, let's say length and breadth. Length into breadth is the surface area and height is h. So length into breadth into h, height, is the volume of cuboid. And what happens for cylinder? Cylinder has the area of the base, which is the area of a circle, which is pi r square is the area, and height of the cylinder is h. So pi r square h. So thus what we have derived are the formulas to find volume of these solid shapes: cube, cuboid and cylinder. Volume of cube is side cube, side raised into side or side raised to 3. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. And volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.